Long-term considerations for Gold IRA investors with a $400,000 investment. A $400,000 Gold IRA offers solid protection in an unpredictable economy. But holding gold alone isn't enough. To truly preserve and grow wealth, investors must think beyond the metal. Tax rules, market trends, and ongoing costs all affect long-term success. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's how to make smart decisions for lasting financial stability. 1. Tax implications to know: traditional versus Roth Gold IRA. Traditional IRA contributions may be tax deductible, but withdrawals are taxed as income. Roth IRA pay taxes up front, but withdrawals, including gains, are tax-free in retirement, if qualified. 2. Required minimum distributions, RMDs. Traditional IRA holders must start RMDs at age 73. Gold must be valued at the time of withdrawal, which could trigger higher taxes, especially if gold has appreciated. 3. Custodian and storage fees. Physical gold must be stored with an IRS-approved custodian. These costs are not tax-deductible and can reduce your returns over time. Strategies to grow your Gold IRA. 1. Diversify precious metals. Add silver, platinum, or palladium to reduce risk. Each reacts differently to market conditions. 2. Use dollar-cost averaging, DCA. Spread out purchases over time to reduce the risk of buying at peak prices. 3. Include gold stocks and ETFs. Consider mining stocks or ETFs for added liquidity and potential income, beyond just bullion. 4. Watch market trends. Keep an eye on inflation, interest rates, and global events to adjust your gold holdings wisely. Maintaining and adjusting your portfolio. 1. Rebalance regularly. Review your portfolio quarterly or annually to keep your asset mix in line with your goals. 2. Manage custodial costs. Compare providers and fees to reduce unnecessary expenses. 3. Plan for withdrawals. Since gold is less liquid than stocks or bonds, have a clear exit plan that factors in taxes and market timing. A $400,000 Gold IRA can be a strong long-term asset, but it requires smart planning. By understanding tax impacts, diversifying, and regularly reviewing your portfolio, you can protect your wealth and enjoy more peace of mind in retirement. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.